All of us in the Mumbai TTF team, we remember, the day when all of us stepped into our schools, we went to our school heads and we asked them, what is your goal and how can we help you achieve it? The positives has been that we have now a little bit of experience in this area, so we have been able to personalize the whole process for our teachers in our schools a little bit better than what we were doing last time.
I went into this project without blinking an eye because I believe in upgrading the teachers.
Then we were told one day that somebody was going to come and give us some classes to improve our teaching methodology. So we all teachers were very upset. How dare people come and tell us that we are not teaching properly. That was this.
Before this training, I was really a very strict. My voice was so loud. I used to scream on children, "Are bhai silent, Baba silent." And with the scale, we used to bang the benches, dum dum dum. By that second, they will be silent, and after this, again they use noisy. And which really it is not there when after attending this TTF, because they know what are the verbal signal which are shown to the children. So now my classes are so silent because I make that lesson so interesting by showing them the pictures, by making some demo, some activity in the front of the children. So they love to listen whatever we have taught in the class.
Earlier in the traditional teaching method, what we do, we forget to take the name of a children, those who are there in my class. Now through TTF, what I am doing, I can take each and every student's name, maintain some emotional relation that why is not able to express his views, whether he is frightened of me or whether he is he is not able to speak.
Before we used to teach, the whole lesson we used to read, the whole lesson we used to explain to the children, and the children just used to look at me. Here and there I used to ask questions. But after this program of TTF, I just told them there is a dragon in this lesson and there is one brave warrior called Ivan. I just want you all to go through the lesson, discuss in the pairs or the sitting one, and you make a star organizer, what you think they have told in the lesson about the dragon and then about Ivan. And I just couldn't believe they wrote so well, small points. They read it. That means they could comprehend it. We were under the impression that children couldn't comprehend, so we were just pouring out our knowledge on them and telling them how it was. I will not tell that one day it changed, but it really changed. My way of teaching, my way of outlook.
We could see the reaction of a teacher. It turns from resistance into a gratitude. And that is what something which really amazed us or excite us or motivate us.
Before and after TTF, what happened in my school? If you look at the classroom at that time, only the 4 walls, there is only white paint, nothing was there in that. There are no charts, nothing. But now my classrooms are completely filled with the colorful charts, and these all charts are made by the children, not a single chart is made by the teacher. I want to say about a college sir. He is one of a designer teacher, I can say, because he not only designed the classroom and each topic he designed according to the TTF strategies. Very good command over his subject, Marathi, and such a polite way he is talking with others. Another thing with the children, communication with the children, modulating his voice, and sometimes such a different type of activity he is using.
Every challenge that has come has been overcome. The challenges that will come ahead will also be overcome because we are super focused on making a change and creating a transformation.
लॉकडाउन की वजह से बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम हमने फेस किए हैं, जैसे कि स्कूल बंद हो गया। अभी पहले ऐसा लग रहा कि अभी स्कूल बंद हो गया तो बच्चों तक हम कैसे पहुंचेंगे।
First of all, it was a challenge, and then I don't know how to connect students shifting from offline to online. So obviously, it was a big challenge. Lot of research, lot of training, collaborations with TTF has helped us a lot, and lot of learning from this. So I remember my 8th standard class, I am teaching acid, bases and salts. So I had just given them a small video clip that they can make a turmeric indicator or they can make an indicator using a hibiscus flower. And I had told them to use only 3 solutions. One was the soap water, one was the lemon water, and one was the normal water, tap water. And see what is the color change, and you can connect to whether it is acid, base and salt. And I was bombarded with the pictures. I was bombarded with the videos, and so awesome. The response was fantabulous, you can say, fantastic, you can say. I had no words.
We have observed that there is a higher sense of student engagement using group work facilitated through breakout rooms. Today, our students actively participate in pre-session and in-session activities with the help of interactive tools ranging from chat to Edpuzzle.
So in fact, I don't think that we have missed anything due to COVID-19 pandemic. Yes, what we have missed is the personal touch, classroom teaching. But in fact, this COVID-19 pandemic taught us, our teachers, our students, and our parents, this new technology called online teaching, online learning.
The message is loud and clear that students can learn under difficult circumstances also.